Hey guys, welcome to Tech Chef. My name's TJ and today we are going to take a look at a device from Huawei. This is the Huawei P30. Let's get this unboxed. Hey guys, welcome back. Let's take a look at the box. This is the front of the box. We've got the Huawei logo and the text Huawei P30 on the front. One of the major selling points of this phone is the Leica triple cameras on the back. More on that later. The left and right have the text Huawei P30. The top has the Huawei logo. The bottom has some specs on the phone. You can pause and rate it. Let's get this opened. After removing the top, you are greeted with the phone. This is the phone. Let's put it aside for now. Here we have the SIM ejection tool. Huawei was kind enough to include a free cover with the phone. It's a TPU style case. And here is your quick start guide. Next up, we have the USB Type-C cable. I love it when companies pay this much attention to detail. The tips of these cables are purple. Purple or let's say like a lilac. Quite cool. This pair of earbuds. And yes, these do include the headphone jack. As you know, the P30 included the headphone jack and the P30 Pro does not have one. That's also one of the other major points of why would you take one phone over the other. If you guys are really die-hard headphone jack fans, then well, this would be the phone. This is the Huawei travel adapter. Let's take a look at the phone. So the phone comes in this plastic wrap. Oh damn, guys, just look at this color. There is some information on this, on how to remove the nano SIM card and NV card. That is Huawei's proprietary memory card. Guys, first impressions, the phone feels extremely premium. There is a pre-applied screen protector. My recommendation is to leave this on until you find a tempered glass of your choice. Due to this phone not being a curved screen phone, you'll find it a lot easier to find a tempered glass that will fit this completely flush. Just look at that. This is absolutely gorgeous. It's got this dark blue that fades into a very light green. It's absolutely beautiful. So guys, taking a look at the phone itself, on the right hand side you have the power button. Again, I have to give Huawei credit where credit is due. The power button has a red highlight. I love this little attention to detail. Just separates it from the rest. As well as on the right hand side you have the volume buttons. Buttons feel very clicky and provide a good amount of tactile feedback. On the top of the phone you have a microphone port. On the bottom you have the headphone jack, microphone port, USB Type-C port and speaker grill. On the left hand side you have the SIM card tray and expandable memory card slot. Note, this does not take your traditional standard memory card. This is a proprietary card developed by Huawei. Some of the features of this phone include a 6.1 inch display. The type of the screen is OLED. It has a full HD plus resolution. The phone is splash, water and dust resistant with an IP rating of 53. The processor is a Kirin 980 octa-core As mentioned earlier, the phone comes with 128 gigs of storage and 6 gigs of RAM. The camera array includes a 32 megapixel camera on the front, a 40 megapixel wide-angle lens with an aperture of f1.8, a 16 megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with an aperture of f2.2, and a 8 megapixel telephoto lens with an aperture of f2.4. All of them support laser and phase detection autofocus, with the telephoto lens also supporting OIS. The battery of the P30 is 3650 milliamps. Guys, I really have to stress, this phone feels extremely premium in the hand. And I love the edge-to-edge display, and the teardrop notch for the camera looks great. I don't think it's too distracting. I know most people were complaining about it though. Definitely one of the highlights is this color on this phone. Yes, it is a fingerprint magnet, and I highly recommend you get a case for it. As a quick size comparison, here is my LG V20 next to it. This phone does offer an in-display fingerprint reader as well. Just look at this beautiful color shift. Hey guys, welcome back. I want to give a quick shout out to Fazila. She's based at the MTN Pavilion branch. And if you're in the market for a phone, I would highly recommend you check her out and she'll hook you up. Another quick shout out I want to give to Kiara. She was the Huawei rep at the store and she hooked me up with this goodie bag. So if you guys want to know what's in this, throw me some likes and hit me up on the comment section below and I will let you guys see that unboxing. So guys, thanks for watching and I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, share, subscribe and let me know in the comments below. How do you like your waffles? Do you like it plain? Do you like it with cinnamon sugar? Or do you like it fully loaded? Catch you on the next one.